बात बतानी है जो बहुत पुरानी है। श्रद्धेय सावित्रीबाई फुले की अमर कहानी है, हाँ अमर कहानी है।
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್. ನಾನು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಉಮಾ ಗುಡ್ಡಲ್ ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಶೇಷ ಸುದ್ದಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಪರಿಷತ್ತು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಮೈಸೂರು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿಬಾಯಿ ಫುಲೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯರ ಸಂಘ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಹಾಗೂ ಗುರುಕುಲ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾನ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ತುಮಕೂರು ಈ ಮೂರು ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳ ಸಹಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತೆ ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿಬಾಯಿ ಫುಲೆ ಸ್ಮರಣೋತ್ಸವ ಅಭಿಯಾನ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಂಥನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಡಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ನೀಡಿರುವ 12 ವಿಷಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯದ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಅವರ ವಿಚಾರಧಾರೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ.
Namaskar. Hello everyone. Karnataka State Savitribai Phule Ladies Teachers Association State Unit Registered Dharwad. This is Pravina Kumari T on serial number 36 in Mate Savitribai Phule Smaranotsava Abhiyan Vicharamantan 2 competition. In Phule Association, I am servicing as District Secretary of Tumkur and working as Assistant Teacher in GMHPBS Turuvekere Taluk. I selected the topic Satyashodak Samaj and its role in to get rid of social evils which are badly practiced in 18th century. I am very happy to share the information about this with you all. We all believe in God. God is everywhere, but God only cannot change the world and solve all the problems which arises in the world frequently. So He provided many social reformers. In the 18th century, Jyotirao Phule, one who is the social reformer, joined his hands with his wife Mate Savitribai Phule, one who was struggling for empowerment of women, girls' education and to get rid of social evils which were widely practiced in the 18th century. To eradicate all these social evils, Jyotirao Phule established Satyashodak Samaj on September 24, 1873 in Pune, which is in Maharashtra state. He established the Samaj with the ideals of human well-beings, happiness, unity, equality, easy religious principles and rituals. Satyashodak Samaj means Truth Seekers Society. Satyashodak Samaj played an important role in changing the society of 18th century. The Samaj mainly focused on depressed women like Shudras and Dalits. Through this Samaj, he opposed idolatry and denounced the caste system. The Samaj also campaigned for the spread of rational thinking and also rejected the need for the priest. The membership and the financial support are the main pillars of any organization. So the Samaj included the members of Muslims, Brahmins, government officials, and also Phule's own Mali caste provided leading supporters of finance and also membership for the organization. If any organization come to famous, the media plays very important role. In 18th century in Pune-based newspaper called Deena Bandhu provided the voice for the Samaj views. Thus the media also supported for the implementations of Samaj. Nextly, the Phule in that same time, Phule's wife Savitribai Phule was struggling for the women's empowerment and also she wanted to get rid of all the social evils which were badly practiced in the society. So Jyotirao Phule at the right time made his wife as the head of the women's section of the society. Both the wife and the husband joined together and worked hard day and night to get rid of all the social evils and for the women's empowerment, and they want to give girls education. Even the people of Pune society given them lot of difficulties, they got succeed at last. through the Satyashodak Samaj functions. They got succeed and contributed a lot through the functions of Satyashodak Samaj. Thus, after all this reformation, in not only in Pune society, throughout India, all the women empowered, getting good education, and also they are leading their life by doing different fields working, and they are also leading their life successfully and peacefully. So I would like to extend my heartful thanks to Phule's family who brought out reformations in the field of girls' education, women empowerment, and social evils eradicating. Next, I would like to extend my thanks to Savitribai Phule State Secretary and President Dr. Latha Maldur ma'am and Jyoti ma'am, and State Pratibha Parishad President Shri Mahesh sir, one who given me the opportunity to share the information about Satyashodak Samaj. Thank you one and all. Jai Savitribai Phule, Jai Kannadambe.
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ತಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಇಂತಹ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಸಾರವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಂದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗಾಗಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲ್. ಇಂತಹ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ತಾವು ಹಿಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.